Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing very well today. So today I have a very exciting video for you guys. I am going to be introducing you to our son, to our baby boy. So I'm very excited to be introducing you guys to our son. So very soon I'll bring him to the camera, but he's sleeping right now. So when he wakes up, I'll do that. But for now, hope you guys are well. Hope you are doing well. Hope you are staying safe. The last time I spoke with you guys was, I think, the week before I went to deliver in my last vlog. So it's been a lovely and wonderful time having the baby home, and it's been just, words can't even describe how exciting it is to be a mother now. So I'm very happy, and today I'll be introducing you to our son. But first, let me just give you guys a little gist of the birth. So that was really nice. Like, the experience itself wasn't that bad. I thought it was going to be like scary, maybe because I've been through similar experience before when I did my fibroid removal surgery. So this time I was a little bit familiar, with the procedures and everything that leads up to the delivery. And so I wasn't that scared. Well, I was obviously anxious, but I was peaceful in my mind and just at peace. And thankfully my husband was there, so we just were anticipating the birth of our son. So he came on the 1st of November 2022, and it was 2:05 p.m. That was when he came. I mentioned in my last vlog that I was going to do CS. So we had I had 3 women actually before me on that same day that we're going to deliver. So imagine, we were all just together waiting for each other. So the first one went in, and the recovery room where I stayed is very close to the delivery room. So we could hear, not everything that was happening in the room, but just we could pick out a few things like the baby crying and stuff like that. So as the women went in for their own delivery, I could hear their babies cry. So it was hopeful and at the same time a little bit anxious, and it was our turn, and we went in, and God just took control over the whole procedure, and everything went well. And then we heard our baby's voice. Oh, we heard him cry for the first time, and it was just very, very rewarding. It was a very awesome, experience, and thankfully recovery. So I was in the hospital for, I think, 5 days after the delivery, just for them to monitor and just make sure everything was fine. And the Saturday, so 1st of November was on a Tuesday. So on the Saturday, we came home and we brought our baby home for the first time. I forgot to mention his weight, 3.25 kg. So that was what he weighed, and he came 2:05 p.m. and it was just very awesome. I thank God for everything. We came home that Saturday, and we had some relations with us that helped with his bathing, and just the initial taking care of him while I recovered. Thankfully now, I've gotten, in tune with the whole taking care of him, motherhood. Everybody that was with us has gone, except for my help, that comes every day. So my husband and I, we've had a lovely time, taking care of him. Sleepless nights, obviously, but nevertheless, still lovely. So now he's currently 6 weeks old. We've done our 41 days, so he officially can go out now. So we did our Thanksgiving, our baby dedication, rather in church this past Sunday. So I was like, it's time for my YouTube family and my Instagram family to meet him officially. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have been seeing, pictures of him here and there. But I haven't mentioned his names yet. So I'm going to be telling you guys he has lots of names. Like everybody we meet gives him a name. So I'll just be telling you guys the ones me, my mom, my husband named him, not what every other person has named him so far. So before I even gave birth, well, my husband and I, before we even got married, obviously we sat down together, we planned how we wanted our family life to be, how many children, we wanted to have and everything, so even before I got pregnant, years while I was, still waiting and praying to God, I already knew the names of my children. Or I knew their first names. So I already knew that I was going to name my first son Kevin after his dad. So his first name is Kevin Jr. And then my husband gave him Kamiri, and when I heard that Kamiri, I fell in love with the name, and then it's a very symbolic name. So Kamiri in my husband's language means "me too have arrived." So it's very symbolic, very meaningful, and that's what we call him. We call him Kamiri at home. So his name, he has Kevin Jr., and then there's Kamiri, and then my mom gave him like maybe 10 Yoruba names. But out of the 10 Yoruba names she gave him, I picked 2, and the first one is Ayomikun. Very apt. In case you are not, for my non-Yoruba speaking audience, Ayomikun means my joy is full. And that is exactly how I feel. And then the second one she gave him is Ileri Oluwatishe, and that means the will of God has come to pass. So those 2 names, I love them. So I took those 2 names out of the gazillion names my mom named him in Yoruba. And then after those ones, he also has Obidisha. Obidisha is another name my husband gave him, and my husband wanted King. He wanted to call him King. So we're looking for other ways, to incorporate King into his name. My mom also gave him King, So we're looking for other names other symbolic names, that will mean king. And in my husband's language, Obin is king. So Obidisha means the king has arrived. Lovely, 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 lovely. And then one of my aunts named him Mofini Foluwa Fini. That's what she calls him. And I love, 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 love that name. Mofini Foluwa Fini Foluwa. And that is, I give praise to God, or all praise to God. So that is another beautiful name that he bears. And then for me, I gave him Isaac, because it's my Isaac. He's my long-awaited son. So my own name for him is Isaac. And then that concludes his names that we chose to keep, not the ones other people give him. One of my other aunties gave him Marvelous. Our pastor gave him Joy, that he has brought joy into our home. As in so many names. even my mother-in-law has so many names from their own language, that she gave him. But these are the ones that we picked. So our baby's name is Kevin Jr., Kamiri, Ayomikun Mufinifolua, Isaac, Obindisha Soji. My baby. Guess who just woke up? Hello, baby. Ooh, he's still sleeping. Hello, darling. Hello. Hello, baby. Meet our YouTube family. Hello, my love. Hello, my baby. Hello, my baby. They just woke up. See, everybody has been waiting for you. We've been waiting for you. Oh. He has become so active now. He doesn't even want me to sit down anymore. He just wants to explore, look around, he's now beginning to raise his head. So he's getting more adventurous. He wants to, walk around. He doesn't want you to sit down and pet him anymore. He wants to, walk around and move around and be active. Oh, my darling. Hello, my camera. Hello, my camera. Say hi to our YouTube family. Say hi, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello. 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 He's still sleepy. Hello. Hello. He just woke up from his nap. So thank you guys for joining me here today. Kamire is happy to meet all of you guys. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, baby.